As the world accelerates toward a future shaped by technological innovation, transportation is at the forefront of the transformation. Two visionary concepts, the Hyperloop and flying cars, have captured the imagination of engineers, investors, and futurists alike. These technologies represent distinct solutions to modern transportation challenges such as congestion, environmental sustainability, and speed. But which one will dominate in the race to reshape how we travel? Let's dive into the competition between Hyperloop and flying cars to uncover their strengths, weaknesses, and ultimate potential. The case for Hyperloop. The Hyperloop concept, popularized by Elon Musk, proposes a revolutionary high-speed ground transportation system. Using magnetic levitation and vacuum-sealed tubes, Hyperloop pods can achieve speeds of over 600 miles per hour, rivaling commercial air travel. Advantages: unparalleled speed. Hyperloop promises to slash travel times between cities. For example, a trip from New York to Washington, D.C. could take just 30 minutes. Energy efficiency. Designed to operate on renewable energy sources like solar power, the Hyperloop offers a sustainable alternative to cars, planes, and trains. Mass transit potential. With large capacity pods, the system is geared toward moving significant numbers of passengers or freight, making it a scalable solution. Challenges: infrastructure costs. Building extensive tube networks involves high upfront costs and significant land acquisition hurdles. Regulatory barriers. Hyperloop technology requires new safety standards and regulations that could delay implementation. Geographic limitations. The system is better suited for relatively flat terrain, limiting its versatility in mountainous or densely urbanized areas. The case for flying cars. Flying cars, often depicted as a hallmark of futuristic worlds, are becoming tangible through advancements in eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing technology. Companies like Joby Aviation, Lilium, and Archer are racing to develop viable flying car models. Advantages: traffic-free travel. Flying cars can bypass gridlocked roads, offering unparalleled convenience for urban and suburban commuters. Point-to-point efficiency. Unlike trains or planes, flying cars provide direct routes, eliminating the need for transfers or lengthy commutes to stations or airports. Emerging technology. Feasibility. Prototypes are already flying, and regulatory frameworks for urban air mobility are beginning to take shape. Challenges. Limited range. Current battery technology restricts flying cars to short-distance travel. Airspace management. Integrating flying cars into already congested airspace presents logistical and safety challenges. Affordability. Initially, flying cars are likely to be expensive, limiting accessibility to wealthy early adopters. Head-to-head comparison. Category: Hyperloop. Flying cars speed. Faster for long distances. Slower but more direct for short trips. Infrastructure requires extensive, costly ground networks. Needs vertiports but less ground impact. Environmental impact. Highly sustainable with renewable energy. Dependent on advancements in battery tech. Scalability. Best for mass transit. Suited for personal or small group travel. Flexibility. Fixed routes between cities. Dynamic point-to-point travel. Who will win the race? The competition between Hyperloop and flying cars is not necessarily about one technology replacing the other. Rather, it is about how they can coexist to complement different transportation needs. Hyperloop. Ideal for connecting major cities or regions, providing a sustainable and efficient alternative to planes and trains. Flying cars. Best for short-distance, personalized travel, especially in urban or suburban settings where ground traffic is a major issue. The winner of this race will likely depend on advances in key areas like regulatory approval, cost reduction, and public adoption. Flying cars may reach consumers faster due to their flexibility and less complex infrastructure, while Hyperloop's success hinges on large-scale investment and political will. The road ahead. Both Hyperloop and flying cars represent bold visions for the future of transportation. As the technologies mature, they could revolutionize how we think about mobility, not just in terms of speed, but also sustainability, convenience, and connectivity. Whether you're zipping through vacuum-sealed tubes or soaring above city skylines, the future of travel promises to be as thrilling as it is transformative.